Today we are going to be solving a typical time conversion problem in which we have to convert a 12-hour format to 24-hour format. It is an easy one, but still it's a little bit tricky. Let's keep going. In this problem we have to create a function time conversion which takes an input parameter, a string, which is in 12-hour format, and we have to convert this time into 24-hour format. Let's look at the input. We have two places for hours, colon, two places for minutes, colon, two places for seconds, followed by AM or PM. Let me quickly explain the approach that we're going to use for this problem. Here I have a clock. Suppose it's midnight, both the clock hands are on 12, that's where AM starts. Now for the next 12 hours, it's going to be AM up until the midday, and right from midday or PM starts for the next 12 hours. So that's how 12-hour clock format works. Let's jump to the coding part. So we're going to solve this problem using string slicing and if-else ladder. I've written sample input on top with extra spaces and mentioning their indices. For example, PM is on index 8 and 9, hours are on index 0, 1, also PM is on index -1 and -2, or minutes are on index 3 and 4, and so on. Let's work on our function. Def time conversion, our input time. Now for our first condition, let's check if it's AM or PM. We also have to check for the hour part. If it's 12 AM, then it's going to reset the 24-hour clock format from 0. Let's write it. The 24-hour clock will start from 0, followed by the same, because in every case the minutes and seconds are going to be just same. We just have to work on hour part and AM PM part. Let's just print minute and second as it is. For second condition, we're going to have to look for AM. If it's AM, we're going to remove AM because up until the midday, it's going to be the same. The only exception was if it was 12 and we already dealt with it. For our third condition, we are looking for PM and 12. Because if it is, that's the midday time, and our 24-hour format will run up until the 12, and as soon as the 1 hits, it's going to be 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's see. Now for the generic part, we only have to look for the hour part. When it's 1, it's going to return 13, when it's 2, it's going to return 14, and so on. So we just have to simply add 12 to every hour after 12 PM. Now for this mathematical operation to work out, we have to convert this to integer, and we have to convert it back into the string. The minutes and seconds are going to be the same. Let's type. So we are done with our function. Let's take inputs. Let me just copy the input from here. The output we're expecting is 19 hours, 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Let's see how it works out. There we go. We are done with the code, and I encourage you to try this approach of string slicing and if-else ladder. Work by yourself, and if not, you can simply understand through this code. Thank you very much. Until next time.